You just hit the jackpot with this new listing, completely surrounded by walking trails and only a 10-minute drive from the 401. Lucky number 7 on Pompeii Street in Kitchener just might be your new address. The meticulous landscaping and quaint covered front porch greet you and your guests with a total sense of pride. And I'm Helen Fidler from Helen's team, relocating clients with serendipitous real estate opportunities here in the Waterloo region. This feeling is carried into the foyer, where the bright sidelight window, soaring ceilings, and modern color tones draw you in. Just past the upgraded powder room is a completely open concept living space enhanced by upgraded high-end durable laminate floors in the living room. Step outside from the sliding door to your fully fenced backyard, which features a newer 20 by 16 pressure-treated deck. This exceptional elevation offers a spacious grass area and enhanced privacy, so host your summer party at your house this year. The gourmet kitchen is every homeowner's dream come true, equipped with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a custom 6-foot island with microwave pot drawers and added outlets. It's the perfect place for those who love to cook and entertain. Whether it's preparing a 7-course meal or just a simple snack, this kitchen has got you covered. The dramatic second-floor family room boasts soaring ceilings, stunning windows, and it creates an ideal space for relaxation and entertaining guests. The primary bedroom is spacious enough for all of your oversized furniture and features a walk-in closet with a window and organizers, because you deserve a space to get lucky in. The home's classic finishes ensures it will complement anyone's style, because when it comes to decor, you deserve to start off with some beginner's luck. The unspoiled basement provides a blank canvas for you to customize, with large windows, a rough-in for a full bathroom, and no weird posts to obstruct your future plans. Don't miss this golden opportunity to own this detached home in a great family-friendly neighborhood close to amenities. And the best part is, this house is mine and it should be yours.